Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys the best FundedNext coupon or discount codes. As you can see right now, this is Kazu. This is 5% off, KAZU, all in capital, and then another 5% off is GT75. Another 5% off, which is for Star Challenge members only, is Prop Firms. Next up, as you can see, 10% if you click on get code. Forex prop reviews is your code, and you can get all of these bunch ones from this website called FundedNext tenereteam.com. Last but not the least, as you can see, this website, if we click on grab promo, as you can see, it's going to load you, and from there it's going to give you the promo. And if you want to get more promo codes, just head over to Google and search for FundedNext promo codes, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.